Hi Steffi! Happy 18th birthday! It's your very special day. Just enjoy. And I wish you more blessings to come. It is a chance to celebrate the person that you've become and look forward to what is coming ahead. Hi Steph! Happy birthday!
Hi Steph! Happy 18th birthday! Wishing you good health and more success to your life, and wishing you a year ahead filled with laughter and love and fulfillment of your dreams. Embrace this new chapter with enthusiasm. We love you, Steph. Love Ninang Mabel and Ninong.
Hi, B. Happy birthday. Pasensya na. Pasensya na, Bik, hindi ako makasama. Gusto ko rin. Kaso, walang mag-aalaga sa mga baboy. Hayaan mo, babawi na lang ako. I love you, baby. Mahal kita. Happy birthday. Ganda-ganda mo, babe. Sana ikaw na lang umuwi sa sa June, sa kasal ni Tito mo eh. Hayaan mo. Babawi na lang ako. I love you. Bye.